Today I have the Madenia Professional UV LED nail lamp to review. And I am going to plug it in and try it out. Okay, so I got the white one. Okay, so in the box, it comes nicely wrapped. I would assume this is the AC adapter. Yes, it is. So this is about 4.5 to 5 feet long. Okay, I'm gonna take it out of the packaging. Ooh, that's pretty. It's got a really pretty pearlized finish. I'm hoping you guys can see that. Okay, I'm sorry about the reflections you're seeing. It's just my lighting. First thing I noticed is how much space you have this way, which is good because lots of times when you're doing someone's nails, which is what happens with me all the time when I'm doing somebody's nails, they will end up banging their nail into the top of the lamp. So I like the fact that this has a lot of room. Okay, so this is the bottom. The bottom comes right, it looks like it has a smiley face, doesn't it? It's cute. That's cute. I just noticed that. Okay. All right, so we're gonna remove this. It comes right off. Now, and there goes your smiley face. That is so cute. I don't know if anybody else noticed that, but. Okay, so here are the LEDs. And then it's got 2 sensors right there. And as I said, it seems to have a nice amount of room for your hand. What I find interesting is that it doesn't have that metallic bottom that a lot of them do. This is a removable hard plastic bottom. So that comes off for a pedicure. Snaps right back in. Okay, this is where you would put the AC adapter. It has 10-second setting for flash curing, 30-second, 60-second, 90-second, and 120, which is the low heat. And that is absolutely awesome. I love that. Okay, so I am going to plug her in and come right back and do some swatches, test her out, and see how well she works. So I'm going to test it with some different types of gels. I'm going to test it with some glitter gel, some bright gel, some dark gel, and see how well she works. Okay, so with this glitter gel, it says on the bottle that it cures within 30 to 40 seconds. So I'm going to set it on 30. And I am going to put this baby in. "30 seconds, and it cured it really well. And this is a color changing glitter gel that starts off dark and turns light. Okay, so I'm gonna add a second coat of that. Now again, with this gel, the minimum curing time is 30 seconds, and that's what I have it set to. So I'm going to put it in there. Okay. already fully cured. Let me just show you guys. That is completely hard. And that was on the minimum setting for this gel. Next, I'm going to try a darker gel. Okay, so this is one coat of a very highly pigmented black polish. I'm gonna put it in for 30 seconds. Okay, so let's test that. There's no bubbling. It's perfect. Okay, next I'm going to cure this second coat. Okay, let's see how that looks. It looks beautiful. Let's test it and see how thoroughly. There's no bubbling. It's very hard, it's very dry. Evan Elisa. Look at that. It's really hard. No bubbling, no anything. And that was on 30 seconds. And I usually set my builder gel to at least 60 seconds. Okay, so before I go, I'm gonna read you what Amazon says about this lamp. Let's see. Alright, features and details. Automatic sensor without pressing any time setting button. The nail lamp will turn on automatically by auto sensor after the hands in and will turn off after hands out. So it is easy to use. Perfect design with 10 second, 30 second, 60 second, 90 second and 120 low heat 5-time setting buttons. The nail lamp can meet different people's various needs when curing nails. The LCD display gives people a better chance to control the curing time. Low heat on and off modes. In this low heat mode, the power enhances gradually over time, which can resolve all pain problems caused by curing gels. Press on, off button. You do not need to put the hand into the lamp. The light will be on. Press again, the light will be off. Okay, let's test that. Okay, so I should have done that when I was curing my swatches. Okay. All right. I like the features it has. Especially the 120 second low heat setting and the 10-second setting. I didn't have that with my current lamp. It doesn't have a reflective bottom, but that's fine. It doesn't need it. This lamp so far, short term, it seems to be really great. I recommend it. $34.99. Amazon, free returns, free shipping, quick delivery, awesome settings. I don't see any drawbacks with this lamp. I really think it's going to work out really well for you guys if you give it a shot. You can leave your questions or remarks down in the comments. I will leave the link for this lamp in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, leave your comments, and click on that notification bell so that you will know next time I upload a video.